right, so we made it here. Quick little drive. It took us like 20 minutes, but it's only like 8 miles. Or you just go through town and you have some other little areas. There's quite a few cars here. So I see in Arizona, a California. I see, I can't see that far. But quite a few different ones here in different states. And then of course a lot of New Mexico. So, ooh, I even think I see a New York. I see a New York and a Louisiana license plates. Wow. Very interesting. Quite a few people traveling, getting out. So yeah, so we're gonna start this hike. I already took off my long sleeve shirt because it's like 70 degrees. But it is looking super beautiful and the sun is out. Very little breeze. So anyway, alrighty, we're getting on this road. This red rock. I think it's so pretty. It looks like this could have been like where water can come down. Yeah. Okay, so we have a little elevation gain. It's not that much. And it's like 400 feet. Something like that. Not too bad. I just tripped. At least I didn't fall. You would have seen la 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 la. So, and we're going on some shorter hikes because I don't even know if I said this, but I had knee surgery at the beginning of April, something like that. And so giving myself some time to actually heal and recover. So, but I still am feeling like I want to baby it a little bit. I actually did forget my knee brace, which probably it would feel a lot better, but it actually doesn't feel too bad. I'm sure at the end of this I'll be feeling like a little bit of pain, but a lot better than it was before, where I was having extreme pain on the inside of my kneecap. And I can't remember what they did, some sawing some stuff off or something, I don't know, some growth in there. Hello. Hi! And then they said I had quite a large mass, or a large amount of arthritis underneath my kneecap and around. But that's to be expected. I usually just say I have arthritis everywhere. It doesn't really matter. It's everywhere. And that comes with just age. So, but this is just so gorgeous. I love like coming in the wilderness as long as I have an allergy shot. No, I'm not a hypochondriac. But I just know, whoops, keep tripping. I just know that I have to be like, you know, I want to feel the most comfortable I can in every place I go. And I think that's all you should do when you travel, is just make sure that you take care of yourself enough to where you don't have any issues or concerns and stuff. And one thing, it wouldn't be fun to be walking out here with just sneezing and watery eyes, and it just wouldn't be fun. It wouldn't be a good experience. So, or with knee pain or shoulder pain or this and that. So I just figured if you just prep and prepare, I think it works out. So this has been gorgeous. So quick fun fact about me is my maiden name is, hi, go this way. My maiden name is Baca. If you know anything about New Mexico, that is a significant last name. And of course, if you've seen my other videos, my father was born in Vaughn, New Mexico, and he is part of the Baca historical line. And so from what I found in the genealogy and ancestry, and so I found that that is that part of his lineage. And and we still have family here in New Mexico, on my father's side. He kind of, I don't know, when he moved to California, there was a little bit of separation. So I've only met them once, when about 40 years ago. And it'd be nice if I could actually reconnect with a lot of that, because that history is big. So, and the history is, you know, that I'll link a webpage below, and it's about Cristobal Baca, who actually, they're all from Spain, and they came to Mexico, and him and his family and someone else, I can't remember who else it was, came to New Mexico, to the land, to establish a New Mexico. And this is before it became part of the United States. So that is my history with, our ancestry with New Mexico. So I feel a little kinship in being here, because it's really significant. Now that's a picture. She's not gonna fall. That rock is loose. Okay. She's gonna check those little rocks out too. They're pretty cool looking. Okay, this is about 3 mile loop, and we're about 1¼ mile in. If you've watched my other videos, quarter seems to be the word of the day. 1¼ Let's get to 2¼ Okay, so we are more than halfway, and it's been an easy, actually very easy little trail. So, I mean, it's a good trail. It has, like, you know, some good incline. I consider it easy. I think on there it says moderate, but I consider this kind of easy. So, I wore tennis shoes today. Probably should have worn my hiking boots. They're a little bit wider, spread out a little bit more, because my feet tend to swell up just a little bit. And so probably should have worn the hiking boots because they're wider. But anyway, it's very, I think it's so pretty up here. Nice. Has a lot of coverage, like with trees and stuff, so you get a lot of shade, so you don't have to worry about a lot of direct sun. So this is actually one that can be done, I don't know about year round, because it's usually like 100-something degrees in the summer, like July, August, and we're in early June, so this actually been pretty good. I think it was like 70, well, I told you guys, it's like 70 degrees or something, I don't know. And the high today is only supposed to be like 70 something. 73. So, but it's actually been pretty nice. There is a lot of rocks in this upper part of the trail, but I don't find it challenging. You just got to be a little careful, you know, for loose rocks so you don't fall. But otherwise, it's been really nice. Okay, so now we're in a different section. It's called the C and the D. So I'm gonna look on all trails, and I will screenshot and put it in here about which way we're gonna go. I think we have to go to the D, but I'm gonna find out right now. Okay, so off to the right. I'm watching the elevation because it says 394 on all trails. We are at 368. Not much longer. No more climbing. So excited. My knee's gonna be very happy. Although going down, my knee's not happy. Oh, it's been a really good one. Oh, and then, so after this trail, we're gonna head out and see some other things in Santa Fe. So check out my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I have to say that this is actually a super easy trail, and it's good for like we did like one area, then went up to another area, and then another area. But if you just did the smaller loop, this is actually a really good trail for small kids and stuff. If you're first starting to get them out walking and doing some outdoor activities, this is really great because there's a lot of shade, and it's not too, it's well marked, and it's a very easy little trail. And then as they grow or expand their, you know, distance, then it would be easy to be able to attach on other like little loops as you go through. So it's actually a really nice one for kids, in my opinion. So, because this has just been really, really nice here. We live in such an amazing world, and I think the most important thing is like get out and explore it. That's how I see it. Not everybody feels that way. If you don't feel that way, that's okay. That's how I feel. Get out and explore it. And I'm hoping like all of these things like inspire, you know, my kids to take their kids, and those kids to take their kids to just explore and just see other areas, cultures, you know, diversity in the world. And happy Pride Month, though, because that's important. I mean, for people to understand other peoples and other you know, lives and how people live. Because we can be in America and we can have such diverse, you know, thoughts and processes and things like that. But in essence, we're all American. We're American first. And to see other areas of our country is just amazing. And I'm just so glad that I'm able to do it. Because there's, you know, there may be a time when I'm not able to. And so I'm hoping that I inspire my kids and grandkids just get out there and look at other things and just see other things and go at places and stuff. And I hope they do. So travel the world when you can safely. So that's how I feel. Yeah. And my favorite part of exploring, the food. Oh. Yes, trying other foods. Can't wait. Can't wait. All right, so we are done. That was so beautiful. I totally enjoyed it. This is like the perfect length. So let's see. Let me stop the watch. Hold on. How do you stop it? Hush. New things. I swear. All right. Total time was 2 hours, 10 minutes, basically. We went 3.33 miles. And I don't care about the average. All that good stuff. What else is in here? Elevation gain was 390 feet, and on the all trails it said 394, so we are very close. And I can put a done on that one. All right, so that is that hike. Like I said, for me, if you use the map, and I say on all trails it's called Dale Ball North Loop, but if you follow the trail, it's like you go up and then it's Route A. So that makes it a lot easier for me. We went the opposite direction as we always do with all trails. We did not go the forward the way it is. Like, anyway, we always do that. I don't know. Just being a little crazy. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care and have a great day.